Hi, I'm Randall, and today I am taking initiative to solve a major world problem. As you know, there are many smart products in our homes. Smart TVs, smart cameras, smart microwaves, smart robots, smart... But a major problem in our society is there's not smart speakers.
But Randall, there's Google Homes and all kinds of different smart speakers that can connect to your TV.
Shut up! No, there isn't!
That's where I am gonna come in and make a smart speaker that isn't like these pieces of junk, that look stylish, sleek, modern, work well, connect to your phone efficiently. No. I'm not about that. I want Bluetooth speakers that you can't tell exist. Take the common Carnivorous longus curvus, also known as the banana. So succulent and mysterious, yet they sit in your house and no one really eats them. That's why I'm gonna turn this into a Bluetooth speaker. How? I was gonna lie to you and make an epic montage. That was so stupid. It made me cringe inside. So I'm gonna be honest with you. I used a Bluetooth fidget spinner and put it in banana.
I wonder why.
I think we broke it. Work!
What are your current emotions right now, Mr. Weiss?
I broke my banana. My Bluetooth banana. That's all I wanted in life. And like, it was right there. On to fidget spinner 3. Is going. If my scientific calculations are correct, if I put saran wrap around the fidget Bluetooth, it'll be banana proof. I just farted.
You're right. You're a genius.
We're gonna name this banana.
L battery?
She needs charged. No! My banana died. Luckily it has a charging port right on the butt. Let's go plug her in. My banana's charged. See the hernia coming out of its anus? That means it's charging. This one isn't cool. I'm now going to go kidnap my friend and have him product test these inventions, and he's gonna be so impressed. Pound it. I got my victim. I'm gonna blindfold him. I present to you the latest advancement in technology since the iPhone. It is this advanced, Peter. What if you can take your blindfold off. Initial impressions. What do you think it is? What do you think it is, Peter?
A tracker.
A what?
A mic.
A mic?
I don't know. Like a recording device.
Look at these all have it. And ignore the light blinking.
A camera.
Nope.
I don't
What's
know.
more advanced than all of those?
A phone.
What? Are you ready to be amazed? They're Bluetooth speakers. Hey, come on, more enthusiasm.
It's bread.
Tell me this isn't a smart home. Bananas, bread, and peanut butter, they're all Bluetooth speakers.
That's stupid. Wow.
More.
There's no speaker.
Yeah, it's smart bread. You don't know where it's at. Let me connect to the smart banana. Eat it. Thank you for being on. How would you rate my smart products?
8.
Thank you. Okay guys, that concludes our smart banana bread and peanut butter video. Thank you for watching. Ah, Tina, shut up!